Hello everyone, today I'm going to be removing the carpet out of my Rabbit truck. The first thing I'm going to do is on the back here behind where the seats would be, I'm going to remove these plastic caps, and there's a little washer behind them. I'm going to pry that off. And there are 3 more. Now that we have all the covers and washer things off of the studs on the back here, you can go ahead and slide this off of the e-brake. Next, I'm going to disconnect this seat belt from the ground here. I've got a 11/16 socket, which I'm sure isn't the right size, but it fits. Now I'm going to start pulling the carpet. Two hands, it's glued on, and you probably want to wear some gloves. I was wearing gloves anyway because there's mouse crap all over this, but this glue is still pretty sticky, so you probably don't want that all over your hands. front here, there are also 2 bolts that you need to remove. Once you get those front clips removed, you can go ahead and carefully start removing the carpet up front. Over here on the driver's side, you want to be careful not to tear up any of the wires or the fuses or relays up here. There is also a nut over here that you need to unscrew. Okay, I've got a box cutter, so I'm going to start cutting some of this carpet away to just get it out of the way. Once I got to this point, I realized I had to remove this heater control box. The carpet goes up way behind it, and I went ahead and removed the dash too. I don't think you have to remove the dash to remove this part, but I did anyway. So I made a video and you can check that out too. So now that I've got the heater AC box out, we can now remove the rest of this carpet. There we go.